Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change spark plugs on a 2010 Honda Accord V6. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and letting the engine cool, then gather tools and safety gear to stay organized. Remove the engine cover gently, note coil positions, and keep fasteners labeled so reassembly is straightforward. Take your time with ignition boots, avoid cross-threading plugs, and inspect wires and coils for wear before finishing and testing the engine. Before you start, set out all tools and parts so the job flows smoothly and you don't interrupt the process. Verify the plug gap and get the OEM replacement set for the 3.5 LV6 motor, then lay out sockets, torque wrench, and a soft brush for cleaning. Keep a small container for bolts, use compressed air to clear debris from wells, and double-check that your torque wrench is calibrated. Start by removing one coil at a time so you keep track of each cylinder's position and wiring. Clean the well with compressed air, back out the old plug, and inspect for oil or damage that might indicate other issues. Install the new plug by hand first to prevent cross-threading, torque to the manufacturer spec, then reinstall the coil and connector, repeat across all cylinders, and run the engine to verify a stable idle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.